In this video, I am going to explain our third file, that is model.py. I will explain it like this. You can manipulate it by your own. Means you can you can make the changes in that file own, own. Means you can. If you don't know a little about Python, you can manipulate it. Okay, I will explain it like this. So please watch the complete video, and two, I will give you the source code of it. So in the end of the video, I will give you the source code of it. Okay, so let's start without wasting the time. Firstly, we will open our VS code. Okay, and we'll open that file. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, I had written the code. Okay, so now I am going to explain you this one code. So firstly, we had import Cohere. Cohere, it's an application. Okay, and some also some important I as you can say dictionaries. Okay, so rich and .env. From rich we had import print, and from .env we had import .env values. Why? Because we are going to get the Cohere API key. Okay, so as you can see in .env, here is Cohere API key empty. So how you can get this Cohere API key? You can now follow me, or you can go um, or you can go in description, and there will you get a source link. I had explained how you can get a Cohere API key in that one. Okay, so firstly we are going to open Cohere website. We are going to do, and then we are going to like sign in with the help of Gmail. Continue. So now we are going to API keys. In trial keys, I had created this. I am creating new. Click on new trial key. Name it. Like I am going to name Javed AI. It's Susmanpreet. A I. Okay, no space. And generate trial key. And then we will copy it. Go here and then paste. Okay, I think you get it. So if you don't get it, click on the description box. You will get a link of a source. Okay, so now we had import this. So from .env file, we had imported Cohere API key. This variable we had copied. Okay, so and we set the Cohere client as .co. Okay, so now it is functions, means the functions that will our AI do. So these are some functions, as you can see here, like exit, journal, real time, open, etc., etc. And what will this AI do? Like if I say exit, me it will go to automation.py. If I say generate image, it will go to image generation.py. And I know you were worrying about that, why I don't had done this image generation, because the code that I had generated or done already, it is Hugging Face API key, and this is nowadays it is not free. Okay. So when content, when, as you can say, Google search automation.py, Google, YouTube search automation.py. Okay. So if real time a query is a real time, then it will go to real time search engine. Okay. Then like other files, we had created a message list here too, and this is Prebble. Okay. So what is this? It is our, like we are telling, we are like make the RAI learn that you are this, and if this comes, you do this. Okay, like you are a very accurate decision making model which decide what kind of query is given to you. Okay, you will be decide whether a query is journal query or real time, or it's asking to perform any task or automation like open Facebook, can you write an application, and etc, etc. Do not answer any query, just decide what kind of query it is given to you. That like we say this Cohere API model means Cohere model, that you are only a decision making model, you will decide what kind of query it is, and you will never answer a query, you will only decide this is a journal, etc, etc. Okay, like respond with journal query if a query can be answered by a line. This is like journal, like it is simple. Respond with real time when the, like, just it is a real time information we need. Open when we need to open any app, close any app, play any song, etc, etc. Generate an image, reminder, we set a reminder. System, like system information. Content, like writing an application, etc, etc. Writing an code of Python, JavaScript, HTML, etc, etc. Google search, YouTube search. Okay, I think that you had got it. And this is chat history, means the chat history must like this in chatlog.json. Okay, as you can see, it is looking like that only. Okay, so if I go here, you can see role user message, how are you? It's a journal query. Like older time, it is not closing any app and opening any app when I get it. So I checked, there is wrong spelling of open, and there is not inserted any, like as we can say, like any close command here. Okay, so then what I did, add these close commands. Likely if yours anything is not working, check this model first, then check other files. Okay, then this is the function which will decide, like this is a query of what it. So I think you get it. This is the function which will decide what kind of query it is. Okay, so it is difficult line, right? Now if I run it, run Python file can, like if I enter hello, HALLO, hello journal. Okay, if I open what open YouTube, like open YouTube, it's slow, but it's okay because of the network. If your network is fast, it will run nicely. Okay, I think now you got it. Yes. So uh, that much only. And now the main thing, if you need the source code, go to description box. I had like added my business ID. study with MSKB, and on that you will mail me that I need this file, and also you must have subscribed my channel, and paste a screenshot of that there. Okay, paste a screenshot on the mail. Okay, and then mail me from Gmail. How? Like, as I am composing, like this is 2, if I choose STU, etc, etc. Here is 2, means here you will enter my ID. Here, like I NWD need this file, etc, etc. And here you will do like screenshot, you will paste screenshot. Wait a minute, I will go here. Like you had subscribed this, so you will, on PC you will Windows Shift S, you will click and then copy it, this much area. Okay, and also press bell icon, and then go here and then Control V, paste this screenshot here, and then click on send. Okay, so I get this, and in 24 hours I will mail you. Okay, every hour I check this. Okay, so thanks for watching, we will meet in the next video.